For precision-driven industries, accurate linear measurement is crucial. One effective solution is using a rotary encoder with a measuring wheel. This combination offers a versatile and reliable alternative to traditional linear scale encoders. Rotary encoders paired with measuring wheels provide several benefits. They offer an unlimited measurement range, unlike fixed-length linear scale encoders. Enhanced durability makes them resistant to dust and moisture, ideal for industrial settings. Additionally, their flexible installation accommodates various surfaces and materials. Implementing encoder-measuring wheel systems requires careful planning. Challenges include system complexity, bulkiness, and alignment issues. Misalignment can cause slippage, reducing accuracy. To overcome these, choose compatible components designed for seamless integration. Pre-engineered solutions simplify installation and enhance accuracy. When selecting a rotary encoder, consider shaft load capacity, resolution, and communication protocols like SSI or EtherCAT. For measuring wheels, material choice is key. Rubber insert wheels offer traction on smooth surfaces, while polyurethane wheels suit diverse applications. Knurled aluminum wheels provide enhanced traction. Proper installation ensures accurate measurements. Maintain precise alignment to prevent skidding and inaccurate readings. Account for material thickness variability and optimize tracking friction using spring-loaded brackets. Consider pre-engineered solutions like the TrueTrack series for compact, easy-to-mount units.